Kain tayo ng pizza. Ayan. Ayan. Pizza natin. Ayan. It's pizza time. Ayan. Tapos, gagawa tayo nitong banana split. Dahil may tira pa tayong ice cream. Ayan. Ice cream. Gagawa tayo. Ay, sarado pa pala. Bananas daw. I-split natin ang banana. Split ng banana split. Wow! Ayan. Tapos meron tayong coffee flavor. Ayan. Tingnan nyo guys. Gawin nating 4 scoop. Ayan. Ayan. And pizza from Pizza Hut. Huh? Tikman naman natin ito. Ating own version of banana split. Daming calories nito. It's cheat day. Sarap. Sarap. Pasok kasi si Mr. Kaya, gawa na kayo ng sarili nyong banana split with Häagen-Dazs and the green tea. Sarap, sarap nito.